Round one, fight!
In the article, Indoor versus Outdoor CBRS Small Cell Radios, we go over the long debated topic, which should you choose? We cover the basic topics such as range of both radio types, use cases, and mounting considerations. We also discuss SAS authorizations and CPI approvals for each radio type to help you in your decision making. Another major topic to weigh is Mobile Genesis rewards weighting, in which we provide all of the resources for you to make your decision, as well as deployment of different types of radios, which we go over the do's and don'ts for indoor, outdoor, and multiple radio setups. Lastly, we let you know how and where you can buy the equipment and go over everything in a brief summary. We hope this article will help you make the best decisions for you when choosing indoor versus outdoor radios.
Round one, fight!